In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create column chart and pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Charts are a simple way to turn plain data into something much easier to read and understand. In Excel, a column chart is useful when you want to compare values across different categories. A pie chart is helpful when you want to show how each part contributes to a whole. I will walk you through both of these chart types using the same basic process, so it is easy to follow. To create a column chart, begin by highlighting your data cells. Make sure you include the headers as well, because Excel uses those headers to label the chart correctly. Selecting the right range is important, since the chart will be based entirely on the data you choose. Once your data is selected, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the Excel window. This tab contains all of the tools you need for adding visual elements like charts. In the Charts section, click the Insert Column or Bar Chart icon. This icon looks like 3 vertical bars, so it is easy to spot. After you click it, a menu of chart options will appear. From that list, choose 2D Clustered Column. Excel will immediately generate the chart for your selected data. This chart displays each value as a vertical bar, which makes it useful for comparing numbers side by side in a clear visual format. Now let us create a pie chart. Start again by highlighting your data cells, including the headers. Just like before, your selection matters because it determines what information will appear in the chart and how it will be labeled. Next, click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Charts section, find the Insert Pie or Donut chart icon. This one looks like a circle, similar to a pie with a slice removed. Click that icon to open the chart choices. From the available options, select 2D Pie. Excel will then create a pie chart based on your selected data. This chart presents each category as a slice of the whole, making it a good choice when you want to show proportions or percentages visually. When creating either chart, always double-check that your headers and values are selected correctly before inserting the chart. That small detail helps Excel organize your information properly and gives you a cleaner result right away. That covers everything you need to know.